So today we're cooking barbecue chicken on our Weber kettle. This can also be done on any gas barbecue or in the oven. So the first step for this is we're going to heat up our barbecue and get it ready for the chicken. For this cook we're using the indirect method. The recipe says to use 3/4 of a chimney, but since we're reusing some of our old charcoal, I'm doing about a full chimney as it's less fuel, so we need more of it. So now that our barbecue is heating up, it's time to pat our chicken dry. So we're going to prepare this chicken by spatchcocking it or butterflying it. To do this, we need to cut along the backbone and then pull out the breastbone. The reason for doing this is that it can lie flat, which allows it to cook more evenly and reduces the cooking time. So now that we've cut out our backbone, it has exposed the center of the chicken. So in order for it to be able to lie flat, we need to do a slit along here to expose the breastbone. To do that, take a really sharp knife and there's a little bit of a cut there. And then should be able to pop it open just like that. So that exposes the breastbone here. So what we want to do now is cut along the cartilage, which removes the cartilage between the two bits of chicken. Little slits like that should allow it to come out. So that broke, which means I didn't cut deep enough, so just cut a little bit more. So now, as you can see, our chicken is going to lie flat. So now the last thing to do is tuck the wings under. Just like that. So now the next step is to add some oil and our seasonings. So now that we've prepared our spices, we're going to oil up our chicken and spread on the mix. So you want to make sure that everything is covered. So we're going to start off with the skin, but then we're also going to do the underside of the meat. And now we're just going to rub it all in to make sure that every single spot of chicken is covered in this tasty rub. Making sure that we get under every bit of skin so all of the chicken is coated. Simple as that. So as you can see here, the charcoals on top are very ashed over. That means the charcoal is ready. So how we're going to cook this is the indirect method. This means that we're going to put all of our charcoal on one side of the barbecue. So the barbecue's been heating up for 10 minutes. It's now hit a temperature of 220, so it's time to put on our sides. For this cook, we decided to go with sweet potato. We parboiled it and then seasoned it. So we're just putting our sweet potatoes on this side. Now we're going to put the chicken over the potatoes. We're going to cook it for 20 minutes and then we're going to flip it. Then we're going to put the lid on with the holes facing over the chicken. So it's been 45 minutes. We flipped it around at halfway, and now we're really happy with this color. So now we're going to flip it over, get the skin onto this direct heat to crisp it up. So look at that, delicious, juicy chicken. So that's it everyone, delicious chicken, super easy. So we've got our sweet potatoes here, we're going to plate it up and enjoy. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in next week's video. See ya!